Okay, today's weird. It's a sad day. It's also a happy day. Ben's leaving us today. Ben, you're leaving.
Only for a week.
Okay, Ben's going to visit his sister on the other side of the country. So he's leaving this afternoon. Happy part is though, it's coming home. World Cup. Oh my goodness, he just walked out. Last time we watched a game at this bar, they gave us red sunglasses for England. Son, what are you doing? English. What is he doing? Rich gave me this Norwich jacket. He has his Norwich kit.
92-93 when Norwich knocked out Bayern Munich from the UEFA Cup.
Norwich is playing Croatia today. England is playing Croatia. I honestly think Croatia's probably gonna win, but they don't want to hear that, so. England's totally gonna win, dudes. Wait. You guys are such dicks.
Hey.
Why'd you leave me? I was tying my shoes.
Home is coming, football's coming home. 2-1 England.
2-0 England.
We're going to like the closest thing we have to a British pub in Winnipeg, which, how authentic is it?
Not very.
Nah.
I still can't believe you're leaving at halftime.
Hey, you're not leaving with me, you suck.
I just want to watch the game. Ben's the English one that's leaving halfway through. Bye, Ben. I'll miss you so much. Have fun in the mountains. No!
What even happened there?
I just got a pint and I came
It was just a
after.
high ball, it was a fucking fluke, that's what it was.
I'm not even gonna lie, like, I'm not an English supporter. I have no English heritage as far as I know, but I'm bummed out they got knocked out. Watching that with my English friends, you know, Rich and Ben and the people I met watching the 3 knockout games at that bar, Jason, Megan, guy that worked at a circus whose name I don't remember, and most notably Steve. Steve, you were amazing. Just so sad to see all those wonderful British people so sad and distraught. But what can you do? I mean, they made it to the semifinals, and it was a really fun atmosphere to be a part of. Today's day 2 without a car, which still really sucks. I've only had a car since last March. It's not like I've lived my entire life being able to drive wherever I wanted to. I feel naked without a car. It is so strange. I went to go take the bus today to go get some food, and the bus didn't come after me sitting there for 20 minutes, and I literally just I was like, I'm not sitting here any longer. And now I'm back here. I bought these at the Nike outlet a couple of weeks ago, and I'm really torn on whether I want to keep them. I mean, they're really nice. It's the Gatorade 6s, and they look fresh, they're dope. I don't know if I want to keep them. I could return them to the Nike outlet, it's like $192. I could do something better with $192. I'm planning a big trip that I'm actually doing some work for today, and $192 isn't gonna pay for all of it, but it's gonna pay for $192 worth of it. I don't know. I might return these. Another pair of shoes that I'm definitely returning, and it pains me to say this because these are so nice, but like I looked at them and I was like, these are sick, but realistically, when am I gonna wear them? Like, when am I gonna wear these? If I want a black and red shoe, I have Yeezys, I have Jordan 1s, I have just stuff that I like better than a pair of Jordan 14s. So these are sick, but they're gonna sit in a box for like 4 years if I keep them. In other news, I did get one pair of shoes that I'm definitely keeping in the mail today. This part of the video is called How I Got Yeezys for $42.44. So here you have it. These are the Yeezys that I got for $42.44. They're a pair of utility blacks. It's nothing crazy. This one should be dead stock laced. Whatever. $42.44. cents. By the way, lots of you guys always ask what's wrong with my hand. I just have eczema. It's nothing serious, but I appreciate your concern. $2.44 for a pair of shoes that, if I have my memory correct, retails for $200, and in Canada after tax is $316.80 because Canada sucks for buying shoes. So you guys are probably curious on the backstory of these shoes and how I got them so cheap, and this is one of these wonderful times where I need to thank you beautiful people that are subscribed to me and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. By the way, shameless plug, if you guys want to follow me on Instagram and Twitter, in fact, you guys just should follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Tom Stefaniak. Links at the top of the description if you guys would like to go check that out. That would be greatly appreciated. You guys hooked it up here. You guys hooked it up. And obviously there's one individual who is just a special human being that hooked it up, except I don't expect any of you guys to give me gifts. So when someone wants to send me something out of the kindness of their heart, I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna thank all of you guys. And I'm thanking all of you guys today. One of my subscribers hit me up Saturday and he's like, hey dude, I got a whole bunch of pairs. I don't really need to keep all of them, and I wanted to send you one as a thank you for everything you do. And I was just like, oh my God, like, are you serious? Because lots of people, I'll be honest, you have no idea how many times I get idiot kids hitting me up saying, hey man, I'm gonna send you a pair of $7,000 shoes, just give me your shipping address. And then I'm like, you're not gonna send them to me, why are you lying? And then they just get super rude and defensive. But when people actually do hit me up and they genuinely want to send me a pair of shoes, I'm floored, because I make freaking YouTube videos and I make my living off of it. I think that's thanks enough that you guys support me enough for me to make my living off of YouTube videos. I think that is absolutely incredible. But on top of that, if you guys, like you guys that follow me on social media, you guys that pledge on Patreon, and you guys that send me gifts, it's like all of that crazy stuff. You guys that donate on Twitch, it's insane. By the way, I'm gonna start streaming on Twitch again very, very soon, so stay tuned for that. He's like, I wanna send you this pair of shoes. And I said, are you serious? Are you sure? Like, I know these don't have tons of resale value, but you can still sell these and make $10 or $20 maybe. And he was like, yeah, I'm 100% sure I want to send these to you. And what's your shipping address? And I was like, dude, if you want to send these to me, can you at least let me pay for shipping? And he said, yeah, for sure, you can pay for shipping. And he's from New York, and it cost $42.44, and it only took 4 days to get here, which isn't bad at all. These showed up in the mail this morning, and I was very happy to see these. Wow, just thank you so much. But from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. This is a pair of shoes I already have a pair of, but I'm just gonna beat the crap out of the first pair. I love this shoe. I've already been wearing it. I've put it on Instagram, as you guys have seen. You guys really like that picture. I appreciate the love on that picture, by the way. Go show some love on that picture if you haven't already. The picture of me trying on the 300s or the 500s, these ones right here. Wow. Just, I really, really do appreciate this, man. I really do appreciate this. It's crazy to see people that I've never met from the other side of the continent being like, dude, I want to send you a pair of kicks just out of the kindness of my heart. And it really does mean a lot to me. So thank you for the 500s. You guys were complaining that I didn't do a detailed review of these, or like close-up shots. So let's hit you with some close-up shots of these because they look so nice. Come in, Josh.
Oh no, is this where the water balloons come out?
Long story short, actually, short story short, I'm planning a trip to Asia. Josh wants to come with. We're trying to make that happen. We're planning a trip to Asia.
And I'm pumped. Let's do it.
Remember last year when well, I mean, you weren't there, but last year I went to Hong Kong. That was so much fun.
Bubble trouble.
Oh my god.
We made it. High five. Awesome.
This is so scary.
So as long as you stay in the middle, you're nowhere near the edge.
Yeah, I'm just gonna stay over. I feel safe over here because if I fall off this side, it's like a 10-foot drop down to some air conditioners.
On that side, it's
But that end, I'm just gonna sit down. Wow, I mean the view is beautiful up here, but it's really, really, really high. that's how amazing Hong Kong was last time, and I want to hit up a whole bunch of more cities. So Josh and I are working on a plan to get this all set up and all working and all the gears turning in motion. And I'm so excited. It looks like it's gonna happen probably middle of August to end of August, somewhere around there. We're gonna be going for like 2-3 weeks. It's gonna be so much fun. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, keep tuning in, because we're gonna have some amazing videos coming very, very soon. Peace.